Now I'm going to explain double integral with variable limits. In this topic, in this double integral with variable limit means when limits of y or x is given as in terms of function of x or in function of y. If double integral is given as like definite integral limit from a to b function of x f of x by dy dx, it means that one first we need to integrate with respect to y because of limit is given in terms of function of x, and then integrate with respect to x. If it is vice versa, that means if function limit is given in function of y, then we need to integrate with respect to x first, and after that with respect to y. What is the meaning of this one? I try to explain you. This example, evaluate the double integral, definite integral from 0 to pi, 0 to x sine y dy dx. In this question, first of all, we need to check that what is the limit is given. So limit is given as 0 to x, that means function of x. If it is given as function of x, it means that you need to integrate first with respect to y and then with respect to x. So now I am going to integrate with respect to y. Keep in your mind that one, while trying to integrate with respect to y, x will be treated as constant. So you can keep outside or you can keep here also. So I'm going to evaluate first integration with respect to y. So it means that one 0 to pi x, we need to put it like that one, and integrate from 0 to x sine y dy first. This we need to integrate first. What is that one? Just I am going to do as step by step. 0 to pi x, integration of this one. Integration of sine is minus cosine of y. So now you integrate and then use the limit. Limit is 0 to x and dx. Because of first we need to integrate with respect to y. So this is the integration of that part here. What is that means? That means we now replace limit y is equal to x minus y is equal to 0. So remember that one, because of it is already here, this term already has minus. So better is that we need to keep minus outside, otherwise maybe this gives us difficulty. So x, and now change the limit. Upper limit is x, so that means cosine of x, that means you need to change y as x minus cosine of 0 and integrate this one. Whatever you got, integrate this one finally with respect to x. See that one, keeping minus, because of minus maybe you do not understand. So so what we have to do, just use that term, that means simplify it. So it is minus 0 to pi x cosine of x minus cosine 0 is 1 dx. Now integrate this so that we can write it this one as, see, when you multiply this with this one, so it is coming minus 0 to pi minus 0 to pi x cosine of x dx minus, see that one, minus multiplied by minus is plus 0 to pi x dx. So just integrate this one. So because of this is minus is given, so we need to integrate step by step as like that. That means we need to integrate this one by using isolate rule because of product is given here. Isolate rule. So isolate means, and directly we can use. So what is that one? Isolate means just tabular form we can. X is the first function and cosine of x. So differentiation of x is 1, 0. So it means you need to integrate 2 times cosine. Integration of cosine x is sine x and then minus cosine of x. And here write plus minus plus and then multiply this by this one and this by this one. So see that one here. See here x multiplied by that. So already here minus is given. So better is that right here minus x multiplied by sine x, x multiplied by sine x, and see that one this minus minus plus and already here minus, so minus cosine x. This is that integration and the limit for that is 0 to pi plus integration of x means x square by 2, 0 to pi. Now use the limit, finally you will get the answer of that one. It means that one upper limit is pi, so change that one minus pi sine pi minus cosine pi and then minus 0. So that means 0 minus cosine of 0 plus pi. That means pi square by 2, x is equal to this one minus 0. For this is for that part. So now simplify the pi sine pi, the value of sine pi is 0 and the value of cosine pi is minus 1. So this multiplied by 0 is 0 minus cosine pi is minus 1 minus, see that one, this is 0 minus 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 and multiplied by minus is sorry my dear student, it is stuck. So now, so we need to write here sine pi 0 and cosine pi is minus 1. So just substitute here. So minus pi multiplied by 0 is 0 minus cosine pi is minus 1 minus 0 and minus minus plus cosine 0 is 1 plus pi square by 2. So simplify, when you simplify, see that one, this is 0 minus minus plus, so plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus pi square by 2. So you can simplify it, 2 multiplied by that means 4 plus pi square by 2 unit. This is the answer of that one. This is the answer of that question. Now I am going to pick another example from that one, exercise 4.2. Exercise 4.2, you will get this double integral. So first of all, see that one, dx is limit is given as function of y. So we need to integrate first with respect to x and then with respect to y. So first with respect to x, so see that one, e power 2i is treated as constant. So first of all, we need to integrate with respect to x. So keep 0 to 3. This is this limit 0 to 3 for y. Now integrate this one with respect to x, keeping y as constant. So integration of x power 3 means x to the power 4 by 4 and e to the power 2y is constant, and put it dy and use the limit for x is 0 to square root of y. So now it becomes 0 to 3 e power 2 pi and now replace x is equal to square root of y. So x to the power 4 means x square means y and x square means y. So it is coming y square by 4 minus x is equal to 0, that means 0, and simply dy. It means that now you need to integrate this one by using Eilate rule because of product. So Eilate rule. So Eilate rule means just see that one, y square is the first function and e power 2y is the second function. So first differentiation 2y and differentiation of 2y is 2 and 0. It means we need to integrate 3 times. So e power 2y divided by 2 first, e power 2y divided by 4 second, and third e power 2y divided by 8, and then multiply here plus, sorry, change the signal plus minus and multiply this by this one, this by this one, and this by this one. Remember that one I am keeping 1 by 4 outside, so this will give you easily result. So it means that while you are integrating with respect to y by using Eilate rule, it is coming like that one. So y is square e power 2i divided by 2, and see that one minus plus minus 2i e power 2i divided by 4 and plus 2 e power 2i divided by 8, and the limit of that one is 0 to 3. It means you need to change y is equal to 3 upper limit and lower limit 0. So now I am going to check what happens. 1 by 4, y means 3, so 3 power 2 means 9 divided by 2, e power 2 y means 2 multiplied by 3 e power 6 minus 2y means 6 divided by 4 e power 6 plus 2 divided by 8 e power 6. This minus, see that one by 4 full multiplication, so 1 by 4 and then y is equal to 0. So this is 0. When you replace here, this is 0 plus 2 divided by 8 e power 0 is 1. So now simplify it. 1 by 4, keep from this one full outside, so 9 by 2 e power 6 minus 6 by 4 e power 6 plus 2 by 8 e power 6 minus see that one minus multiplied by plus is minus 2 divided by 8. Now it's up to you. If you simplify, you will get other, otherwise you can put it like that one. This is the answer of that question. Now I'm picking another example from the exercise. This is double integral from the limit 0 to 1 x power 3 into x square root of x 4 of xy minus y cube dy dx. So see that one, limit is given as function of x, so we need to integrate first with respect to x, so y with, and second with respect to x. While you are trying to integrate with respect to y, x will be treated as constant. So it means that one 0 to 1, this limit for x, and integrate this one with respect to y. So 4x integration of y means y square by 2 minus integration of y power 3 means y power 4 by 4, and use the limit x power 3 to root of x dx. You integrate already with respect to y. Now use the limit and simplify it. So what happens now? 0 to 1 means use y as the square root of x. So 4 divided by 2 is 2x, and y square means x, because of this is square root of x, minus 1 by 4, y square means square root of x means x multiplied by x, that means x square, minus 4 divided by 2 means 2x, and x here y means here x power 3. So x power 3 power 2 means x power 6 minus 1 by 4. See that one, y means x power 3 power 4, that means x to the power 12 and then integrate with respect to x. So it's up to you if you simplify, otherwise you can write step by step. 0 to 1, it is 2x square minus 1 by 4 x square minus 2x power 7 minus minus plus 1 by 4 x to the power 12 dx. Now integrate step by step with respect to x. It means this becomes now 2x power 3 by 3 minus 1 by 4 x power 3 divided by 3 minus 2 x to the power 8 divided by 8 plus 1 by 4 x to the power 13 by 13, and use the limit 0 to 1. So it means that when x is equal to 1. So when you use x is equal to 1, this becomes 2 divided by 3 minus 1 by 12 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 52 because of 13 multiplied by this one, and minus x is equal to 0. So 0, 0, 0, 0. So this full becomes 0. So simplify it. We will get 2 by 3. That means, so after using calculator, division of 2 by 3 is 0.66 minus division of this one 1 by 12 is this, minus division of 1 by 4 is 0.25 plus division of 1 divided by 52 is 0.019. So after subtraction it is coming as this answer 0.346. This is the answer of that question.